Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from Christico Design. Today we are working up a simple ribbed cup cozy using 1x1 rib. We're using 5mm US size 8 knitting needles. You'll need 32-inch circulars or longer for magic loop, and number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. We'll start with a slip knot. Slide that on my left needle. I'm going to use the knitted cast on to cast on 32 stitches. The slip knot counts as our first stitch. I'm going to knit into this stitch, pull it up, twist, slide it onto the left hand needle. And I'll keep repeating that. Okay, so after I've cast on my 32 stitches, we're going to join in the round, and we'll be using the magic loop method. So go ahead and finish casting on, and then we'll come back together and I'll show you how to do both of those things. Okay, stitches are on. We're going to slide them to the center of our circular needle cable. And we'll find about the halfway point to divide the stitches. Pull the cable through that point between two stitches and slide them down to the needle ends. Here the important thing is that we keep them from twisting. So if you push down on the surface and slide the needles in and hold the stitches flat, that can help you. You can look at the cast on edge and make sure they are facing each other. So this is going to be our setup. And here we have our working yarn. Now when we knit our first stitch, we are going to be joining in the round. So we want the working yarn coming from our right needle. And we're going to pull the right needle through. Give yourself a bit of slack there. Then we're going to use the right needle to knit into the stitches on the left needle. Again, my working yarn is coming from my right side. And now I'm knitting in 1x1 rib. So I'm going to knit the first stitch. And we've effectively joined our work into a circle here. Second stitch is a purl. And then we repeat. Knit 1, purl 1. Work all the stitches to the end of the left needle here. And then we're going to reset up. Once I get to the end, I'm going to drop that left needle and turn it so that I can slide my needle back into the stitches. Again, keeping them with the cast on edge facing each other. We want to make sure that our right needle has the working yarn coming from it. Pull that needle out. And you're going to work on the first stitch on your left hand needle. And we continue our pattern. Knit 1, purl 1. And we'll just keep doing that until we have knit all the stitches on the left hand needle. When we get to the end of the stitches on that needle, we drop the needle, turn it so that we can feed the needle back into the stitches. You can see our knits and purls coming up there. Okay, so our working yarn is coming from the right needle. Pull that needle out. That's our yarn tail. So this is the beginning of the round, the next round. So from here, we are knitting the knits and purling the pearls. It's the same pattern. Knit 1, purl 1, and we just keep repeating knit 1, purl 1 around, setting up our magic loop every time we get to the end of a needle. The yarn tail is my stitch marker, but you can use a beginning of round stitch marker if you need. And we'll keep knitting in 1 by 1 rib until we get to the height we need for our cup cozy. Our target is about 4 inches tall. And when we have reached that height, we'll come back together and we will do a bind off. I'm going to use a simple loose bind off. I'll link up for you some other bind offs that I recommend if you're not a brand new beginner. Okay, again, if you need to adjust the speed of this video or like to pause it at any point and rewatch, you can do that. The settings cog in the bottom right hand of the YouTube window allows you to set the playback speed to slower or faster to your liking. I'm going to show you that magic loop setup one more time here. Dropping that needle, pulling it back through, and sliding the stitches onto the needle. Make sure that working arm is coming from the right as you pull it out and get ready to continue your pattern. Okay, we'll come back together here at the end for the binding off now. Okay, we've knit up about 4 inches here, and you can see it's very narrow because it's stretchy. Mine is probably only about 2.5 inches before I've tried it on or blocked it. But now we're ready to bind off, and I'm just going to use a simple basic bind off, but I'll do so loosely. Also going to bind off in pattern, and this is a 1 by 1 rib, so I would continue knit 1, purl 1 in the bind off process. I'll knit the first stitch, not too tightly, slide it off. The next stitch is a purl, so I will purl, slide it off, insert the left tip into the first stitch and pull it over, pull up a little, continue, knit, insert, pull over, purl, insert, pull over, knit, insert, pull over, always pulling up a little on your stitches so they're a little bit larger. And so I will continue binding off in pattern loosely to the end of this needle. Okay, so we're binding off in the round here using magic loop. I have 1 stitch on my needle, so I need to get set back up and get those other stitches on my needle here. Okay, I'm just going to finagle this last one here onto my left needle, pull that needle out, slide it back on, knit, and then bind off those 2. And now I continue binding off in pattern loosely to the very end. Okay, after I bind off my last stitch, I'm going to pull up a long loop and cut the yarn. To fix my little jog here from knitting in the round, I am going to thread my tail on a yarn needle. weave under the first stitch, and then go back down into my last stitch and join them that way, kind of making a faux stitch there. And then I'll just weave away this end. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the bottom, our cast on row here. We just want to make sure that we don't pull it too tight. And there we are. We have our stretchy little ribbed cup cozy. We can just fit our cup cozy over onto our cup and it's ready to go.